What's up, guys? This is Jake coming at you with another review on the Logitech C920x Pro webcam. Now, you're going to see, if you're used to seeing any of my videos, this is not the normal webcam I do for videos, but this is the normal one I do for Zoom calls and different things like that. Also, I'm using different audio. I'm using the audio specifically from this webcam so you can get a full idea of what to expect with the webcam. Typically, if I'm doing something a little more high-end or professional, I want to use a slightly nicer microphone. But I was actually using this for the first time a minute ago just to test it out, and it's actually better than I expected. The audio on this camera is probably about 2.5 feet away from me right now. Is not bad at all. So when I originally started shooting videos, I actually bought one that I'm using now for the home, and I had this one for my office. So you can see I'm a pretty big fan of this webcam, obviously buying it twice. So what I want to do in this video is kind of give you a look into what the webcam looks like. Obviously you're getting the experience both visually and with audio right now through the same webcam. And then we're going to look at a couple of the main questions asked on the Amazon site, and hopefully I can help you make a wise buying decision. So when it comes to the webcam, you're going to see the microphone is these holes on both sides. You're also going to see kind of around the edge where it's extra black. That lights up when the webcam is on, and I'm a big fan of that, so you always know if it's active or if it's not. So it's a dark kind of royal blue light that comes on both sides there. The next thing is the shutter. I believe, I'm not sure if you can get it with or without the shutter, but I'm a big fan of the shutter. Obviously you could always just put something else over it if you want, tape or a sticky note or whatever. But truthfully, for me, I would rather just pay and have this put on there. It just looks cleaner to me, and it's done a good job. I never feel like someone's able to watch me. Maybe that's just my weirdness. The next thing is, how is this actually attached to a computer? So what happens is this piece right here will go onto the back of a computer, and then the front goes onto the front of it. So the computer is sitting here, and this latches onto it. So this allows you to determine how angled up or down it's going to be. Now, it's not going to angle right or left, but you can angle it up and down just by where you put this piece on the back of the computer. Right, so if I wanted to angle this up or down, or if I want to angle it up, I would obviously do the opposite. And doing this mid-video was probably not the best idea. I can confirm it was not the best idea because it knocked the webcam off, but we're back. Last thing I want to show you when it comes to the actual webcam itself is that it is plugged in the computer straight through USB, so that is all you will need. It is hardwired into the back of the device and straight through USB. Now, I want to look at some of the questions on the Amazon listing and hopefully answer your final questions and allow you to make a wise buying decision. So, looking at some of the main questions, one of the top ones is, where's the mic? I don't see it. And again, we covered that. The holes on both sides are the mic. Is the shutter removable? You can actually pop off the shutter. You can see how it's attached in the top there and the bottom, and then you can snap that off. Does the webcam just plug into a USB port? That's right. All you got to do is, as long as your computer has a USB connection, that's all you'll need for this webcam. Does it come with any additional software for recording videos, transferring files, or participating in cloud meetings? No, everything you need will come with the purchase of the webcam. When you plug it into your computer, everything you'll need for installation will be right there. So those are some of the main questions I see on the Amazon side. Again, the one thing I didn't mention earlier, talking about pointing this up or down, obviously changing how you're attaching it to your computer. The head actually does go up and down as well. Make sure I'm showing that well. So the head itself will move up and down. It just won't move right or left. Also, as I mentioned, I typically use a different microphone. So if you want to get an external microphone and connect them through another piece of software, you can always do that. But depending on why you're getting this webcam, this audio might be perfect. In fact, when I was testing it earlier, I was surprised that this audio is better than I expected for it to be. So guys, hopefully this helps you make a wise buying decision by going over some of the questions on the Amazon listing, by showing you what the webcam looks like, and also showing you the picture and the audio of the webcam. Guys, I hope this helps, and I will catch you on the next video.